Give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? I used to be so quiet, like a flower on your wall, and everything around you made me feel like I was small. But then you said my name. Now it feels so strange. I've been waiting, oh so patient. Now the colors on my room are changing. Oh God, this feels
Wow, ayan. Maganda naman. Ganda ni Ate Grace, oh. Parang ano na.
Mga anak eh.
Mukha ni Demi.
Ilang taon na ba si Grace? Sipahin mo yung magla. Sipahin. Dapat na ano.
Naiiyak mo din naman.
Husband,
His father.
Dennis, did you come here of your own free will? Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Dennis, do you think Mary Grace, your present her as your lawful wife? That now that you have made your pledges to each other, let us ask the Lord's blessing on your Let us now pray for the church and for its Dennis and Mary Grace. Give it up, please, your word. Let us sing a long part of the songs.
This time we are not doing much
maliliit na yun.
Yung plate na walang naman may maliit.
Ay, kanihim pa ba?
Of course, we also have Ninong Virgilio Santos, and we have here Ninong Bencho Mangol and Ninang Ligaya Chan. Alright. We also have Ayan, sa gitna. And with that, I know nakapag-practice na kayo ng saya. And with that, Merry Christmas everyone. To all, please rise. Tayo po tayong lahat. The stars of today's celebration. And as they step into this new chapter, that is, love is not about finding someone to live with, but it's about finding who completes you, who makes life journey worth every step. Give a warm round of applause and wave the table napkin. Now make us ready to Mr. and Mrs. Manahan, the couple of the year. Mabuhay ang bago kasal. In 3, 2, 1! Thank you! Isang pagkakasayang mga palapan! Sige, bride, you may na feed your husband. Wala nang natira dun sa plate. Tinusok na ni bride lahat. Pagmamahal. What's the deal?
Cheers! Ha?
May kasama niyo siya. Lagot ako.
Salamat!
Kung nilabanan niyo kung mananalo kayo talaga, pero kung lang po, ano? Kita niyo po yung madali niya. Ay, cute naman. Sige, baby boy, what's your answer? Cocomelon, yes! Ay! Bakit kayo mali? Tama yung sabi mo? Tama daw. Yung DJ, bakit mali? Papili nga. Coco Martin! Joke lang, syempre, tama yun. Ayan. So with that, here's your prize. And then kuha ka dun sa isang package doon, ha? Alright? DJ, let's have the next one. May nakakaalam? Sige po. Ayan. Yan, mga 90s talaga. Alam na alam natin yan. Mga MTV. Alam na alam. Alright, and with, ay, iba yun. Kumanon. Deal or no deal nata. Alright, and with that, ngayon po, iba't ibang package ang nakuha ninyo. Ngayon, ipapakita natin sa lahat. Hilahin, ayan. Hilahin. And then, itaas kung ano ang mga napalalunan. Patingin. Ay, may laman. Ay! Parang ang saya-saya ni Sir dun sa dulo. Ang saya-saya nung best man talaga naman parang, ay!
I'll be here for every teammate. Your biggest fan.
Pag may goggles ka, dapat nakalunod na hindi ka nakasuhan.
Sayang. Pagod.
You okay? Until you feel better. Okay. Breathe. You need to work here before you get your insurance.
Tingin, patingin. Wow! Lagay mo na dun.
Okay.
Higa ka. Nakahiga. Yung nakahiga ka ka. Patingin. Galing nga eh.
Promise yun ah.
Eh, nakakapagod naman kasi.
Dapat maganda yung ano niya.
Makakapag-swimming tayo kahit gabi.
Kanina talagang dire-dire.
Huwag mong gawin para sa laruan, gawin mo para sa pag ano, advance naman. Ito mo, bilis mo dito. Go! Relax lang. Kuhangin, kuhangin. Kuhangin. Yan. Kuhangin.
Very good, Vern.
Ito, ikaw din. Dita mo din dito. Sige, go lang din eh.
Sige, sige, tuloy lang.
Sabi ni Natay.
Konti na lang. No.
Kapit dito, kapit dito. Okay lang?
End of swimming lesson. Congrats, guys. Vernico. Si tatay, nasira ang diet dito. Vernico.
Day and night I'm missing you, keep running round my head, just dreaming every possibility. Oh, think about a moment where I'm lying next to you, it's like a fantasy. You give me butterflies when you smile.